Magazine collage DIY craft ideas. Vision boards or mood boards, a classic and popular collage project. This involves cutting out images, words, and phrases that represent your goals, dreams, and aspirations, or simply your current aesthetic mood. Method: collect images related to your theme, e.g., travel, career, well-being. Arrange them on a piece of poster board or canvas, overlapping and filling the space before gluing them down. 2. Collaged canvas wall art, mosaic style. Turn a blank canvas into a vibrant piece of art by using small, cut-out magazine pieces to paint a picture or an abstract design. Method: sketch a design, like a tree, a heart, or a geometric shape, onto a canvas. Cut colorful magazine pages into small squares or irregular pieces, like a mosaic. Apply a decoupage medium, like Mod Podge, to a small area of the canvas, then layer the paper pieces to fill in your design, overlapping slightly. Seal with another coat of medium when finished. 3. Decorative coasters. Protect your furniture with colorful coasters made from rolled or woven magazine strips, sealed for durability. Method: roll thin strips of magazine pages tightly into coils, or weave larger strips together. Secure the shape with glue, and then coat the entire coaster in a generous layer of decoupage medium to make it water-resistant. 4. Collaged notebook or journal covers. Personalize a plain notebook, diary, or art journal by creating a collage on the cover. Method: cut out images, textures, or text that you find appealing. Glue them onto the front cover of the notebook, overlapping and layering. Once the glue is dry, cover the entire surface with clear contact paper or a layer of Mod Podge for a smooth, protective finish. 5. Magazine paper beads and jewelry roll. Colorful magazine strips into beads to create unique, upcycled jewelry. Method: cut magazine pages into long, thin, triangular strips. Apply glue to the back of the strip and roll it tightly around a toothpick or small dowel, starting with the wide end. Once rolled, secure the tip with glue and seal the bead with Mod Podge or clear nail polish to harden and add shine. Layered mixed media art journal pages. Create complex, layered collages inside an art journal by combining magazine elements with other craft supplies. Start with a background layer, like scrapbook paper or paint, then glue down larger magazine images, text, and other paper scraps. Start with a background layer, like scrapbook paper or paint, then glue down larger magazine images, text, and other paper scraps. Add extra detail with paint, stamps, or markers, and create a secret tuck spot with a folded envelope for added dimension. 7. Magazine mosaic. Picture frames. Revamp an old plain picture frame using tiny, colorful pieces of magazine paper to create a textured mosaic effect. Method: cut colorful sections of magazine pages into small, uniform squares. Decoupage the squares onto the frame's border, leaving a small gap between each piece to mimic grout lines in a mosaic. 8. Abstract color block. Art. Instead of focusing on specific images, use the magazine pages for their pure color and texture. Method: select pages that are predominantly one color, e.g., all blue pages, all red pages. Tier or cut the colorful paper into pieces and layer them in blocks or patterns to create an abstract composition focused on color and contrast.
10. Silhouette collage art. Create a contrasting image by filling a simple silhouette with a detailed magazine collage. Method: draw or print a large, simple silhouette, e.g., an animal, a profile of a face, or a vase. Fill the inside of the shape by collaging small, vibrant magazine cutouts. The simplicity of the outer shape contrasts with the busy texture and color of the collage inside,